In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Microsoft Teams step by step. Whether you're working from home or just wanting to add a bit of flair to your video calls, having a custom background can make a big difference. Let's dive right into it. First, let's head over to Microsoft Teams. You can do this by opening the Teams app on your computer or navigating to the Teams website if you're using a browser. Once you're there, get ready to join a meeting. This could be a scheduled meeting or an impromptu call. Either way, the steps to change your background will be the same. Now, when you're on the pre-join screen, make sure to turn your camera on. This is important because the background feature is linked to your video settings. Once your camera is on, you should see a variety of options on your screen. Look for the background filters icon. It usually looks like a sparkle or a star and is located near the camera toggle. Clicking on this icon will bring up the background settings. Here you'll have a couple of options to choose from. You can select a preloaded image, which are the stock backgrounds provided by Microsoft Teams. These include a variety of scenes from offices to beaches, or you can opt to add your very own custom image. To do this, simply click on the Add New option. You can upload images in formats such as JPG, PNG, or BMP. A little tip here. Choosing a bright and contrasting image can help you stand out more during video calls. If, during a meeting, you decide that you want to change your background or tweak it a bit, don't worry, you can still do it. First, look for the camera icon on your screen. Next to it, there should be a small arrow pointing downwards. Click on this arrow and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, locate the option that says More Video Effects or Settings to view all available background settings. By following these steps, you can ensure that your background reflects your style or just adds a touch of professionalism to your meeting. And there you have it, a simple way to change your background on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using it for important work meetings or social calls with family and friends, these steps should help you customize your meeting experience easily. That's all for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you now feel confident in customizing your video call backgrounds in Microsoft Teams. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.